Who's that?
See, there's a light right there. You see that? It's coming from the helicopter. Whoa. They probably just got the cold. Dude, look. Oh, it's so badass. Look.
Can't run from the cops.
Dude, they found him. They fucking found him, man. Dude, oh. That light hasn't moved, man. That is so bright. It's like the eye of Sauron.
They found him.
They got him. Justice has been served.
No, dude, I think they're still looking for him.
I think they're still looking
Dude,
for
he
him.
hasn't moved the light though.
They moved.
I like that he's running. But when he started circling like that, it got low.
Applesauce.
It's like a vulture.
It's the best thing. We should go
Come here.
look for the killer and go
Come
get
here.
him some applesauce.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what the what are you doing?
But you had it in your hand.
Put it in your mouth, goofball.
This is so good.
Yeah, that's good. Let's go out there. Yeah. I'll go if you go. You go.
No,
Think we'll get shot?
You wanna go
No.
with me? You wanna go?
I don't want to get shot.
I didn't.
They caught him. No, they're
No. That's true.
Anything can happen.
Oh, dude, right there.
What if he came running past us really?
What if he shoots us dead?
Probably.
They are Mexicans.
Where?
Just do this.
Run by cat. Dude, this is like, what's it called? Minority Report. You can't run away, man. They'll find you.
Dude, we live in the ghetto.
Hey, you know what?
I guess he made it
Dude,
away.
if he was just like in the groceries or something, they'll never find him. Right?
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
Just hide the bushes.